Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use JSON files in React.js. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a fundamental data format for web applications. It's incredibly useful for structuring and exchanging data, making your React components dynamic. We'll cover everything from importing local JSON files to displaying complex data structures, ensuring you can effectively integrate this powerful format into your projects. Let's get started. To begin, you can place your JSON file in the public folder or directly import it into your React component. For local files, a simple import data from /data JSON statement does the trick. Once imported, you can access its properties just like any JavaScript object, using dot notation such as data, name or bracket notation like data age. This allows you to easily render specific pieces of information within your user interface. When working with more complex JSON, you'll often encounter arrays of objects. The map method is perfect for iterating over these arrays to render lists of items, like a list of products or users. For nested data, simply chain your dot or bracket notations, for example data, user, address, city. You can also use conditional rendering to display different content based on specific JSON property values, adding flexibility to your application's display. For data coming from an API, use the Fetch API or a library like Axios to retrieve external JSON. Always implement robust data validation to gracefully handle cases where data might be missing or malformed, preventing application crashes. For larger or frequently changing datasets, consider using state management solutions like Context API or Redux to efficiently manage and distribute your JSON data across components. These practices ensure your application remains stable and performant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.